Hey guys, welcome back to Crafty. This is me Shahina. In today's video, we're going to be doing a simplest vanilla sponge cake with simplest vanilla buttercream. This video is going to be really fun and delicious, and this cake is going to be really tasty and yum. So without further ado, let's get this video started. Hey guys, let's prepare the cake first. For that, let's take a big bowl. Let's add 100 grams of butter into it. So before you blend, you can also add 1 cup of sugar so that it will be easy for you to blend it. So yeah, let's add the sugar with butter and let's blend it. So it's completely blend. Now we will add the rest of the ingredients like 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk. So these two ingredients are the wetty ingredients for this particular cake. So and then now coming to the dry ingredients like maida. So we're going to add 2 cups of maida, the first one, and here we go the second cup. So only 2 cups. Baking soda of half a teaspoon, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and finally 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Let's blend all together and that's it. Guys, so this is the creamier texture that we will need. So if you need more creamier consistency, then you can add little more milk and make it even more creamier. And now finally I'm gonna fold it using spatula, and there you go. Our cake mixture is beautifully done. Now to pour our cake mixture, let's get ready with the cake box. So here I have the box plastic container where I've kept with the parchment paper into it. Then I'm applying with the butter so that it comes smoothly the cake after microwave. And here I go. I'm adding the complete mixture into the box. And finally, now we'll tap this twice and thrice before we keep into the microwave. And let's microwave this cake. After it gets microwaved, this is how it looks. So now I'm cutting the uneven portion of the cake with knife so that this cake will look with a great circled one and very beautifully shaped. And finally, the last thing that I'm going to be doing is going to cut this cake into 2 parts, so that here I have the first one and the second one. So 2 parts totally. Guys, it's now time to prepare our vanilla buttercream, and for that I've taken 100 gram of butter with 1 cup of powdered sugar, guys, not normal sugar, powdered sugar, then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and splash of milk. Just add little by little milk, not so much and not even half a cup, very little than that. So blend it well and you will get the very smoothest buttercream. You can make this easiest buttercream at home itself. Instead of this, you can also use with whipping cream, and that's what the another chance of doing. So now we have here our cake, where it's now time to decorate our cake. We are almost gonna end up this cake. Now we'll take the first part out, and between the first part and the second part of the cake, I'm gonna apply the buttercream, and then let me place the first part of the cake, and now nothing but let's entirely cover the cake with buttercream. So try to just shape the cake with buttercream very well. You can use spatula or something whatever to just make the cake shaped well with the buttercream. If not, don't worry, you can refrigerate this cake for 10 to 15 minutes, and then when you take it out, it will be very easy for you to shape this cake. So as I do here, it will be very easy. Now the cake will be super awesome, and it's now time for even more decoration. I've transferred this cake into another plate, and I'm gonna decorate this with grated chocolate that I have. You can do with any other decorations also, like you can add up with sprinkles, or you can use the buttercream that we made to pipe up something like decorations and whatever. Let's now slice out the cake and taste it. It's going to be really awesome, guys. It contains with 2-layer cake with very easiest sponge vanilla cake made, as well as the buttercream that we made is also very tasty, and grated chocolate. Everything made this cake really delicious. So do try this cake and do comment below. So hope you love this video so much. If you like, then do subscribe, like, comment, share, and click the bell icon to never miss the current updated videos. Tata and bye bye.